Good morning, and welcome to another episode of AM Inspiration. I'm your host, Clyde Lee Dennis, and I'm here to help you start your day with positivity and purpose. Let's begin with today's inspiring affirmation. I forgive myself for setbacks and embrace progress. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any lingering guilt, frustration, or self-doubt you may be carrying. Setbacks don't erase your growth. They're part of it. This affirmation is a reminder that self-forgiveness is a form of strength. Every time you stumble and still choose to keep going, you're proving just how resilient you really are. Growth isn't a straight line, and it was never meant to be. The beauty of the journey lies in your ability to learn, adjust, and rise stronger than before. When you release self-blame and focus on the progress you're making, even in small steps, you reclaim your momentum. Here's how to work with this affirmation today. Morning compassion ritual. Start your day by repeating this affirmation as you breathe deeply. Let go of any guilt from yesterday and affirm your readiness to move forward with compassion and strength. Midday reset after setbacks. If you slip up or feel discouraged, pause and silently recite this affirmation. Remind yourself that one moment doesn't define your entire journey. Evening reflection of growth. As you wind down, revisit this affirmation and take note of what you've learned today, even if it wasn't perfect. Acknowledge any step forward, no matter how small, and honor your progress. Want to take it deeper? Try a growth gratitude ritual at the end of each week. Write down one setback and what it taught you, followed by one step of progress you're proud of. Over time, you'll see that resilience isn't a rare burst of strength. It's the rhythm of your life. Here are a couple of related affirmations to carry with you. I release self-judgment and give myself grace to grow. And progress matters more than perfection, and I honor my journey. That's all for now, my friend. Remember, win the morning, win the day. And don't forget, enough winning days will lead you to the life of your dreams. Thank you for listening to AM Inspiration. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.